Hey guys, Mason with Texas Direct Roofing and Construction. We're out here doing a roof replacement in Ridglea Hills in Fort Worth, Texas. So the day after the storm, some of my customers up the road asked me to come down and take a look at this home. There was clearly damage from the storm, and we filed the claim and got everything going. In the process, we realized that these homeowners had always wanted skylights, and so we rolled that into the project, and now we're able to spruce up the outside and the inside of their home. I really like the bold color choice that the homeowner picked out, and just as a bonus, we get to upgrade them to a Class 3 impact-resistant roofing system. So if you're in the Ridglea Hills area and you were affected by that storm, please give me a call at 817-233-8417.